The original Steam Deck was widely seen as the best gaming handheld on the market. Its success launched an entire industry of copycat handhelds, like the ROG Ally, Lenovo Legion, and a bunch of Ionia devices to name a few. But one common complaint consumers had was how lackluster its LCD screen was and how underpowered it was compared to its competitors. Well, Valve heard your complaints and launched the mid-gen refresh to address these issues. I have here the Steam Deck OLED Limited Edition. Let's see what's inside the box. Now, the main feature of this device is its 7.4-inch HDR display. The screen still has a resolution of 1280 by 800, but it's now bumped up to a 90 Hz refresh rate. This limited edition model also comes with a premium anti-glare etched glass. Some other notable features: a 1TB NVMe SSD, an updated, more efficient 6nm AMD APU, Wi-Fi 6E, which means download speeds up to 3 times faster, a slightly bigger 50 watt-hour battery, which Valve claims will give you 30% to 50% more battery life, a 45 watt power supply with a 2.5 meter cable, and a new 2-part case with a removable liner. Now, how much does this new device cost? The OLED Steam Deck starts at $549 USD for 512 gigabytes of storage, which is $20 more than last gen, but gets you double the storage at that price and has all the upgrades. There's also a 1TB version, which costs $649, and this limited edition version costs $30 extra, but at the time of this recording, it's all sold out. Now, there are a lot more upgrades than these main ones that Valve highlights, but I'll save those for the full review. Let me know down below if you were able to get your hands on the limited edition version too, or if there's anything you'd like me to test for the full review. If you like this video, then you might like my review of the original Steam Deck over here.